What's up, Cardano Reality Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. My friends, this is the good news video for all Cardano holders because in this video I'm talking about the pump, the jumping up the Cardano price. First of all, very congrats to all Cardano holders because now at this time live, my friends, you can see here the positive change on the Cardano. So this means that Cardano going to the moon, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends, for more news and updates videos. The currently latest price of the Cardano ADA is 1.25 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Cardano ADA. Furthermore, my friends, as I told you, my friends, in the start of this video, that the current situation of the Cardano ADA is going good. The latest last 1 hour, last 1 day price changes is positive. If this price change is positive, so this means that the price of the Cardano pump, and still there the price of Cardano is a pumping method. Let me show you on the price chart. Wow, you can see, my friends, from this time, that is the last 1 day price chart of the Cardano, and you can see that is the quick jump of the Cardano. And still I think this time the positive a little up, but don't worry, the huge pump is coming soon, and there is maybe there is a lot of chances, my friends, that the Cardano will take a huge pump in the last half of June. In the last half of this month, there is a chances to they will take a pump. Anyways, what do you think about Cardano? Please also share in the comment box. And my friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.